Hi friends. In my last video, we covered clearly about what is Python, who created Python, when it is created, and official release date, and Python installation. So in this video, we're going to learn about the differences of when compared to the other language, how Python is easy, and is there any prerequisite is required or not, like that we're going to know about in this tutorial, this video. Obviously, there is no need of any prerequisites to learn Python because it is very easy to code. And even if you don't have any programming knowledge, you are coming from the any other background like networking or Windows admin like that, also it is easy to understand and is easy to learn the Python code. So there is no prerequisites required for to learn Python, and I will show you some differences. If you learn any programming language, the first program they will be teach hello world, right? So I will do this same for the differentiate this. Okay, this is the C language code to print the hello world in C language. If you check, means it is a 5 lines of code, and after you run complete the code, means you need to compile first and then you need to run it. And in Java, we need to mention public class name. That is, I'm giving test as a class name. Open curly braces, and public static void main string of args. System.out.println, inside this hello world. You don't worry about the coding because I'm not going to teach you about the Java or C. Just I am mentioning how many lines for printing the hello world in C and C Java. Okay, here it is 7 lines of codes, and once you run the enter the code, you need to compile the code using Java C test.java, and for compiling, and for run this code you need to mention Java test for run this code. Okay, totally here 7 lines of code. Okay, do you think how many lines of code it will take in Python? It's only one line, that is print hello world. That's it. I will show you this one. Okay, and also you can run it and run this as a Python space test dot py or py dot space test dot py. You can run it in any way. Okay, I will show you that one. In command prompt, we can run it in command console also. Python, I am entering print hello world. It is printed, right? Also, you can open a notepad I'm entering print hello world. I'm saving this as test.py. Okay, save. Now I am opening the command prompt, and that is saved in my desktop. So go to desktop, python space test.py. It will print, or else py space test.py. It will print the same thing. Hello. I hope you guys understand now, right? Now you see, just to print the hello world, how many lines we need to code, yeah, in C language and Java and Python. And compared to these, the Python is easy to understand and also very less code. Now, for clear clarity, I will show you the another example that will be good enough for you to understand the easiness of Python. In C language, to some of the A and B, we need to code like this. Include stdio.h main method. Inside the main method, declaring A and B as an integer variable. Assigning a value to the A variable as a 10 and B variable as a 20, and printf statement, and also doing these things. In Java, we need to create the class. Inside the class, static void main. Inside that, assigning the same thing as print, declaring A and B as integer, assigning value for the A and B, and output system.out.println, and like this we taking the output. In when compared to these, how many lines of code we need to type in Python? That is very easy. I will show you that also. In Python, we need to mention like a equal to 10, b equal to 20, print the sum, double quotes, the sum, a plus b. That's it. It will work. We can save it and in a test, and we can also run like that. The sum is 30, right? We This is the biggest advantage. We can also reduce this code, like we can't do this in C or Java. A comma b equal to 10 comma 20, like this. It will also generate the same thing. Okay, this is the biggest advantage of Python programming language. How beautiful it is. With very less code, we can do n number of activities. That what you people should aware what is Python. By seeing these codes immediately, few people may have some doubt, like in C and Java we are providing declaring the A and B as a integer type, but in Python we didn't declare that. You may ask, in Python type concept is applicable or not? Obviously, type concept is applicable in Python, like int, float, like a string, like that type, or there in Python. But we are not required to declare type that type explicitly. Such type of headache is not there in Python. So whenever we are assigning some value based on your provided value, automatically type will consider. Remember this one. Automatically type will consider based on your runtime provided value. Such type of programming language is called dynamically typed programming language. Okay. C Java is statistically typed static statistically typed programming language. Python, JavaScript, those are etc. They are dynamically typed programming language. In Python, to find the data type of a value, you can use the code as print type of that one. I will show you this one, like print type of key. This will use it to find the type data type in Python. I'll show you that one. A equal to type print type of class. It is an integer class. Now I am typing 10.5 and again I am taking it is a float type. A value I am entering true. Sorry, need to be start with capital letters. True. Okay. This one is boolean type. Bool. And string. String will come inside the double quotes or double single quotes. It is a string. Like this, it will show the type. It will automatically take the type. Will consider based on your runtime provided value. Okay. So only we are calling this as a dynamically typed programming language. Okay, friends. Today we covered differences and easiness of the Python with some example, and also how to find the type of the data in Python, and also learned what is static dynamically typed programming language. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and click the bell icon.